Do you have cough, especially dry cough? So first find your sternum here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, so 2 some away. So on this line, there's 6 points. You try to find the most tender points and acupress there for 1 or 2 minutes. So here, here, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 points. So let's begin. Sternum, and then 1, 2 some away. So beginning from here, collarbone. Right below the collarbone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 points, you try to find the most tender points that make it most painful, and then you do this in a circular motion, massage, acupress. Do you have very bad cough? So here I share some In my last video, I talked about sense of smell and lung function are closely related. Here, I want to share some simple tips to strengthen your lung function that could help reduce the symptoms of coughing, asthma, or catching cold, and could help regain your sense of smell. So first, massage side of your nose like this 36 times. Second, massage 2 sides of your throat like this. Do 10 times. Then acupress here 36 times, do other side too. So wrist line and bottom of your thumb. Hi, do you have asthma? Here share some simple tips to prevent or reduce the symptoms of asthma. So first 2 points is here and here. So use a pen to acupress like this 36 times, 36 times, and do other hand too. Then acupress this between the collarbone in the middle. Press there 36 times. Then press back of your neck close to your shoulder, that area. Yes, do 36 times, and then do other side too. Very good. So try to avoid mango or spicy food. You also can boil honey, goji berry, and apple together to drink it like tea. Also can eat more pear, walnut, or ginger.